To do any hard division question, it always helps to write out the times table of the number you're dividing by first. Now to set out the division, I put this number in a bus shelter and this number outside the bus shelter. All the way through my working out, I'm going to be referring to my times table here. 7 into 9 goes once. 1 7 is 7, and if I take that away from the 9, it gives me a remainder of 2, which I put here. 7 into 29 goes 4 times. 4 7s are 28, and if I take that off the 29, I have a remainder of 1, which I put here. 7 into 14 goes twice, and there's no remainder. The answer to this question is 142. I'm going to do this question in exactly the same way. The first thing I need to do is write out my 17 times table. Even though writing out this times table takes some time to do, it's worth making sure you've got it absolutely right because it will help a lot when you come to do the question. We put the 272 in a bus shelter. The 17 goes outside the bus shelter. 17 doesn't go into 2, so we now have to look at the 27. 17 goes into 27 once. 117 is 17, and if I take this away from 27, I get a remainder of 10, which I put here. 17 into 102 goes 6 times exactly. So the answer to this question is 16. Here are 4 questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. For this question, I need my 8 times table. We begin the question by putting the 28 in a bus shelter with the 8 outside. 8 does not go into 2, so we look at the 28. 8 into 28 goes 3 times. 3 8s are 24, and this gives me a remainder of 4. I need to put 0.0 on this number. When I put the decimal point here, I also need to put one here. I can now put my remainder of 4 here. 8 into 40 goes exactly 5 times. So my answer is 3.5. For this question, we need the 15 times table. You should now be able to try this question yourself. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for me to go through it quickly with you, press play again. We put 108 in the bus shelter with 15 on the outside. 15 doesn't go into 1, so we look at the 10. 15 doesn't go into 10 either, so we have to look at the 108. 15 into 108 goes 7 times. This makes 105. So I have a remainder of 3. I need to put 0.0 and a decimal point up here. My remainder goes here. 15 into 30 goes exactly twice. So the answer is 7.2. Here are 4 questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. I'm going to use my 8 times table for this question. I set it out like this. 8 doesn't go into 7, so I look at the 74. 8 goes into 74 9 times. I have a remainder of 2. I need to put 0.0 and put a point up here and then put my remainder of 2. 8 into 20 goes twice. I have a remainder of 4. I need to put another 0 and my remainder. 8 into 40 goes exactly 5 times. So my answer is 9.25. Now try this question yourself. You'll need to use the 12 times table, which is here for you. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer you should have got. Here are 4 more questions for you. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Here's an exam question for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. Here's a second exam question for you. There is a difference here. This amount is in pounds and this amount is in pence. So to be able to do this question, you need to change this to pence. What you'll be doing is 2,646 divided by 63. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer.